The default when we create formulas in Excel is to use relative references. A relative reference looks like this. It's equal B6. What happens when I use equal B6 is that I can copy that formula, copy, and I can paste it in other places. And what Excel understands is that the 6 needs to change into a 7, into an 8, into a 9, 10, 11, depending on the row that it's pasted onto. So this is fine until you want to reference a cell that will be in only one place and that will not move down. So I'm going to create my formula now, include VAT in the calculation, but as you can see it's in B3, so when I copy that formula down, I don't want the B3 to become B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. I want it to always remain B3. So to do that, I need to use dollar signs. So specifically, it's the 3, the row number that will not change, but also if I was going to use that formula in another column, I would not want the B reference to change into a C or a D. So I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of the B as well. Now I have my calculation, which I can copy down. And if I switch to the formula view, I can see that the first part changes from B6 to B11, but the second part never changes. B3 will remain B3, or more specifically $B, $3. A shortcut to create absolute references with dollar signs is to use the F4 key. Equals B6 multiplied by, I'm clicking VAT, and then pressing F4 on the keyboard, which is the top row of your keyboard. On a laptop, you might have to press FN F4 to access it. There, dollar signs are in the right place. I didn't have to type them. I'm going to now copy or drag this formula down, and you can see that the dollar signs are applied.